Hello, thanks for enrolling and welcome to the program. My name is Alex Koromanis. For as long as I can remember, I have been fascinated by people, how they think, what they think, and why they think the way that they do. I was so fascinated, in fact, that I dedicated 6 years of my life to academic study in the cognitive science and philosophy program in university. My education turned out to be an advantage for me in my pursuit as a real estate investor. As a student, I was able to understand how I think and how others think, and as a business owner, I'm able to see what really goes on when two parties try to reach agreement. It's this understanding that turned average deals into great ones. While there have been countless lessons along my journey, the overarching theme again and again is that we human beings are bad at making decisions. We are not routinely logic-driven thinkers. In fact, for most of our day-to-day exploits, we are emotionally driven thinkers. This is a little troubling since it's our decisions, our choices that lead to our results in life. If we can't make decisions logically, if we're making them emotionally, then the question is, what is in control of our decision making? Well, it turns out that it's a combination of our intuitions, habits, and emotions, and environmental features along with other people's emotions. And if they know how to engage with us emotionally, you better believe that they know how to control the situation and help us make decisions. By having an extensive understanding of human cognition and by implementing this knowledge in my negotiations as an investor, I've developed a program that goes beyond the techniques and principles of negotiation to give you a real understanding of why certain moves pay off and others fail big time. What you have here is a step-by-step guide that you can leverage in your negotiations and in all avenues of your life for years to come to see great success. Negotiation is a high-stakes skill. By the end of the program, you'll understand how to effectively negotiate for win-win scenarios without compromising and giving away anything that you really want. I will show you how to obtain power in negotiations, take you through the different negotiation styles, introduce the principles and techniques, and then fortify your understanding with an understanding of human cognition and how emotion influences decision making. At the end of each section, we will provide you with training exercises so that you can be prepared before you go out and engage in your negotiations. As you work through the course, you'll begin to see the importance of practice, and these exercises are going to help you along. I want to thank you again for enrolling, and let's dive in.